Morning everyone, buenos dias. Service sales as of today, $1,976,109. We have 6 days left. Right now we're about 1%, about 0.75% behind budget. Okay. Actually, I think there's a couple, the late jobs that we had for Allsop and stuff would have made up that difference. So as soon as we can get those out, that'll help. Right now we have 8 jobs that are late. There's 3 in white and 5 in blue. So we addressed those today. So I think SOS 88, as soon as we can get some of those out, so we get that going. Honeywell again will be here at 8:30 on April 26th. Pentair will be here, actually it's on 5/3 and 5/4, so it's 2 days now. So they'll be here for those 2 full days. And then InSinkErator will be here on the 5th, so please make sure we're ready. Again, Pentair is going to be here, it's just about going over PA1. From ordering material all the way out to shipping product to them. All right, so that's all they're going to be spending for 2 days. Okay, so we want to make sure we're ready for all that. I apologize. So Blue had improved.